How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 69 Camaro SS 396. Painted a super slick victory red, black top, black interior. They did update it with a cowl hood instead of the SS hood. This is an X11 car. It's got your chin spoiler on it. The bumpers all look like they've been replaced. Car's super slick down the sides. And I really like the black hockey stripe on it, and that's all been painted on and buried in the clear. Really slick. And the black vinyl top, I really like on this car. This is a super solid, super nice car, guys. Had a complete nut and bolt restoration. Subframe was all removed. All done in shiny black. All new suspension in it. It's got your rear spoiler. You can see the rear bumper all looks like it's been replaced. It's new. Super slick car, guys. Got your 17-inch wheels. It's got the disc brakes. This does have a period correct 396 in it. It's got a bow tie aluminum intake and Holley on it. Aluminum radiator. See, the bottom of the hood's all painted real nice. Got the nice hood insulator. Got your power disc brakes. Power steering. It's got all your ceramic coated headers. Just a super nice car, guys. See how nice and clean all the doors are. It's got, looks like all the interior's been replaced. It looks new. Headliner looks real nice and tight. Got your factory console in it, 4-speed. The jams are real nice in the car. I tell you, I really like this car with that black vinyl top and the black hockey stripe. Super nice car, guys. That blacked out tail panel like it should be. Really nice. Does have a nice AM/FM CD stereo with an amp. Speakers mounted in the rear and the package tray like they should be. You can see how nice the jams are in this car. Tell you, the interior is real nice. All the carpet's new. Did a nice direct fit. Aluminum radiator in it. Correct shroud and everything on it. Correct heater core for the big block. Just a very nice car, guys. Fire's right up. Gotta kind of bear with us today. It's only about 24 degrees out right now. Just really cold. Makes it tough to do these videos when it's this cold out, guys. it out the exhaust. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy sunshine while we have it.